Hi everyone, check out this brand new Milwaukee M18 FPS55 fuel brushless plunge saw. This plunge saw is capable of making efficient plunge cuts and long cuts into thick boards. It works with all the Milwaukee M18 batteries. This plunge saw has a depth adjustment with 2 scales. These can be easily adjusted with the press of a button. With the flat-sided upper guard, the blade is only 12 mm from the outer edge of the guard, and the diameter of the supplied blade is 165 mm. This saw has also been designed for optimal dust extraction on the job site and supplied with a dust bag. It has a bevel adjustment that has a -1 degree for making a back cut that stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 48 degrees. This saw also has a cut line window on the side for those cuts where you need to see the front of the blade against the material, and also a sprung-loaded riving knife. It has an easy blade change system that locks the switch off and the blade in position, while the blade can be changed with the help of supplied Allen key. This plunge saw has a variable speed from 2,500 RPMs to 5,600 RPMs. You can also buy it with Milwaukee's brand new guide rail and guide rail clamps by Excel. This plunge saw comes with one 12mm blade, 2 5-amp batteries, one M12-18 fast charger and a pack-out toolbox. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk.